everyone, Chef Ishika here. Let's go ahead with today's salad or my dish. This is a Superfood Quinoa Salad. As you all know, quinoa is absolutely source of plant-based protein, and it is it's like though it is there in a world for a long years, but then it is very much in as because it's a gluten-free substance and very healthy, a lot of protein in it. And when you are mixing with fruits, here in the Superfood Quinoa Salad, I have been using the natural sweetener in it so that it can gives the color, the taste, and definitely the nutritional value kicks up somewhere, which altogether it makes the salad or my dish appealing to your eyes as well and absolutely delightful to eat. So I had two different kind of a quinoa. One is red organic quinoa, one is white organic quinoa. The quinoa, though I am going to use them together, but you have to boil them separately because they have a different texture and they cannot be cooked together. So now what fruits I am taking? So we will be taking some pears, some green apple, some red apple, some pomegranate pearls, and nicely chop, mix them together, and quickly you can come up with the Superfood Quinoa Salad, which is very tasty, appealing to eyes, and nutritious as well. So you can get to see I have some pre-julienne pears, some green apple, some red apple, juliennes of carrot, dehydrated fig, which is brilliant with its nutritional component. As I said, pomegranate pearls, it's considered to be as a superfood as well. So unlike conventional salad, here the dressings will be very mild, and the dressings are perfectly those particular ingredients which will enhance or complement the main ingredients of the salad. So I love just to coat the salad a little olive oil, fresh from our farm, basil pesto, where I have used walnut instead of pine nuts, some organic Himalayan honey, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, and some lime juice. We can always season it later if we need something extra. Some freshly cut carrot juliennes, some juliennes of pears, green apple, and some red apple. I think already you can get to see the components are so yum, so crunchy, tasty and crunchy and fresh. We will add some dehydrated fig, once again julienne. With a very light hand, you will be mixing it. The proportion of your quinoa and your crunchy fruits can always be based on your choice. It can be little less or can be little more. And before going to plate it out, I just would like to taste a little so that I can get to understand the seasoning is appropriate. It's perfect. Very optimum portion, as because quinoa is considered as the plant-based protein. It's easy peasy and ready to go. So let's finish this beautiful plant-based protein quinoa salad by adding some pomegranate pearls, which considered to be superfood as well. It is very quickly you can make, and it can be it's your health support to being more healthy and feel fresh any time of the day. Thank you.